A very good morning. Welcome to Core Finance. I'm joined by Matt Brown, market commentator for Core London. Morning to you, Matt.
Good morning.
Right, let's kick off with market movers. Markets trend upwards, led by the US of A.
The US, I mean, it's stronger. It's stronger, and it keeps on going up. We've had this for the past few sessions. I mean, forget anything going on in North Korea. The market is stronger. We're seeing, interestingly, the technology stocks are actually outperforming as well. So the Nasdaq is really kind of helping lift the market. The Dow itself, a little bit lower, but bear in mind, the likes of Travelers, the insurance company, obviously with Hurricane Harvey, there could be a lot of bills for them. So that's weighing a little bit on the market, but it just keeps on going up. The FTSE's up at an interesting level now. I mean, technical, we might see a technical breakout to the upside. It's about 30, 40 points off that. But there is a bullish feel in the market this morning.
Very good. Right, let's go on to FTSE one to watch. Sainsbury's, what's caught your attention?
Yeah, there's a lot of moving parts actually with Sainsbury's at the moment. I mean, we had the Amazon Whole Foods deal that has been completed. Not a big presence in the UK, but one thing Amazon have done is straight away cut the cost of their products, whole food products. And that has spooked the likes of Sainsbury's, Tesco's, Asda, owned by Walmart. But also Sainsbury's are looking to, I mean, they bought Argos last year, but they're looking to reach out and expand into the smaller convenience shop market. There was a deal on the table for NISA or NISA, however you pronounce it, well, not superstores, small convenience stores. But Co-op have come in and agreed or have exclusivity with talks with NISA now. Sainsbury's rumoured to be 120 million to pay for them, a small fry for Sainsbury's. Co-op have come in at 130 million. So look, it looks like Sainsbury's have been scuppered. They're being squeezed from both ends. I mean, the margins are being squeezed. If you have Whole Foods or Amazon and the likes of Ocado, it doesn't look good for Sainsbury's and Tesco's at the moment, to be honest.
Good stuff. Right, let's move on to AIM, one to watch, ECSC Group PLC.
Yeah, cybersecurity group. We had the CEO on a few months ago after the cyber attacks that we saw on a lot of big businesses. Now, the stock rallied on the back of that, up to about £5. It's traded back down as low as, I think, 140. Has had a 20% increase today. Now, I don't know if that's volume or what's going on. Maybe a dead cat bounce, but an interesting stock to look at. And at the top of the AIM leaderboard this morning, up about 20%.
Very good. The Great British Pound, euro against the Great British Pound, 92.17. I see a new record low was made at Southampton.
It was Southampton,
overnight.
yeah,
and 87 cents.
Incredible. And the weather actually in Spain has been awful, so you might as well stay in Southampton. We had a fantastic bank holiday. Yeah, it's trading 87 cents to the pound. That's a poor deal. So if you're going on holiday, get your currency beforehand, shop around, don't leave it till last minute. There's a lot of currency cards and other ways that you can get your currency to get some value on that. But at the moment, you know, we've talked a lot about parity. Is that on the cards? Potentially. But the key thing is, if you're going away on holiday, last bit of sun for the summer,
don't go via Southampton.
Exactly.
Right, the core number today, 160 billion.
This is the cost that's being touted to cover the damage caused by Hurricane Harvey.
Wow.
That's a big number. Bigger than Katrina, which, you know, obviously the damage that caused. Now, Texas is a rich state, so hopefully that can, you know, they can pick up some of the bill. Louisiana, not so much, but that's a huge number, and that will eat into the budget for Trump. You know, we're looking at the debt ceiling coming up. Trump has started also talking about tax reforms. This is back in play, and looking at reducing the headline corporate income tax from 35% down to 15%. Now, how's that going to be? You know, how are you going to pay for that? How are you going to balance the books? It could be a stroke of genius if it gets the market going and gets companies revitalising the US. But again, you know, basic accounting. How are you going to pay for that? So this is another receipt that he's got to deal with.
Wow, big number.
Big
Let's
number.
Wrap up with the economic calendar. 1:30 today, US personal consumption and the initial and continuing jobless claims. Very dull on the economic front.
All about non-farm tomorrow.
Non-farm tomorrow. Matt, thank you very much indeed.
You're welcome.